Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Fidelity Crypto supported coin. So if you're ready to trade crypto with Fidelity Crypto, here are some main coin currently supported. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, all handled securely within Fidelity regulated ecosystem. This gives you access to the most established and trusted cryptocurrency directly through your regulated Fidelity account without needing a separate wallet or exchange. However, Fidelity selection is still limited compared to major crypto exchanges. The focus is on high quality, well-regulated coin with proven track record, meaning you trade few assets but with more confidence and stability. It's ideal for long-term investors who prefer safety and simplicity over chasing every hot coin. So if you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe for more quick crypto breakdown, and comment which coin you would love to see added next to your crypto Fidelity trading. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you did, turn off the subscription button and subscribe for more.